Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a fantastic triangle 3D logo design. So it's very simple. Just pay attention to the video. You can learn something from here. So no more talk, let's begin today. So what we're going to do, I select first and let it be smaller and keep to the corner side what I have done in the before. So what we need to do, go to the over here, some many tools over here, you'll see. So I need to just first of all to level or system, go to the line segment tool over here, click, and by pressing shift key I just roll out here. See? So I need it just to draw color over here, and I need copy this one by pressing Alt key. It's a short key. Just press the Alt key, and it will be automatic. See? Sorry. Need it first over here, and it just press Alt key. You see? By shift key, just like that. Like that. Okay, it's okay. Now what I need to do, I just to what just press Control and D like that. Okay, 9 to throw over here. 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So what I need to do, I just select all these 9 rows, and what I need to do, I just go to the over here, and it just go right it, and it just 90 degree copy over here. You see preference angle copy over here. You see again, I need to select this one, go over here and brought it over here. This 150 degree over here. You see it's happened, and go again. It's too much easy to see what is happening. So I just reflect, not the rotate. So just copy. Okay, it's done. I think now it's the shape. You cannot think what is happening, but you see exactly I can art or design like the 3D triangle design. So we're going to do, I go first over here, select all the things, and go through the shape builder tool, and just change the color. I select the red color, 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Again, 1 2 3 4 5. Just select over here, and it just I'm gonna here just to see what is happening over here. Good. I'm just skipping here, and I need to just change the color. What color? I think it's better. Okay, I feel this is better. I think it's better. So I recommend you just keep the passion over here. If you lose your passion, you can't learn anything. So I need to change the color. Which color? I may change this one, no problem. Just I will again check this last one, like that. Okay, you see, change like that. Okay, so I need more this, not like that, but I think it will be more better there. Okay, it's this. I'm trialing, and I need to just change the color again. Which color? I think it's okay. So like that. Wrong, total wrong. I have mistaken for here. I have mistaken for here. You see? Now it's fantastic. But I need to now over here. I think this is will change the color. So don't worry. Not a perfect. I need this one also. Oh, that one. This one. Okay. Now better. Was missing something. So I needed to change the color. Which color better? I think it's better. See? It changed the color. I think it's better. So don't worry. Okay, I will change which one. I think it's good. That's good. And someone I change the color. Okay, so change color like that. Which one? I think it's good. I need now just change the color and should change this color. Base. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. So I think it's okay. So and I think it's not better. So another color I need it. Or which one? That one? I think that one is okay. So I think it's okay. You see? Right here. Okay, exactly. Color is matter, of course, but if you at time you can do this one, but I just shortly doing this one like that. So what we need to do, I go to the arbor here, just select all the things and go to the lock, select all the lock. Now it's happened. Now I can do this more liberally here. So I think group by pressing D, and I just go to the over here. So rat 2, go to the 120. I think it will be more better. So go to the over here. I like that. Again, I need to go to the over here. I think I go here and uh, to 40. Into 40 is okay. See, it's happening. Yeah, it's total good. I think it's total good. Oh my god, what is happening? I need group, and I think I think good. I think all the things edited group, and I it needs also group. Okay, so this is the, I think it's total arranged to the brain, to the counter side. See how it's happening. So I will do this another problem over here, just skipping, and I need just to control Alt 2. It's delete, and you see what happened now. Yeah, it's total done. You see, it's good, better. So I needed to delete the things. I need keeping it looking better. So these are all processes same. These are all. Thanks for watching.